Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy the Bluemove tokens or Move tokens. Now Bluemove is one of the leading NFT marketplace on SUI as well as Aptos network. And to be honest, both these L1s are doing a pretty good job. And I personally feel that all the coins and tokens on SUI as well as Aptos should do a decent job during this bull run. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now at the time of making this video, Move is sitting around 17.38 million US dollar market cap with a circulating supply of more than 50%. Now these Move tokens are used as staking rewards. So those who have staked Move tokens on the Move platform, they will be getting this as a staking rewards. Now in order to buy Bluemove, you can buy it on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. Now apart from this, we could potentially see this doing 50x to 100x, you may never know. So if you want to go ahead and buy Bluemove or Move tokens, you can buy it on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, which will give you 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see on Mexc Global, it has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So the maker fee is 0% and the taker fee is anywhere between 0.01 to 0.02%. Now, once you create an account on Mexc Global, you can buy USDT directly on Mexc Global if your country allows it. If not, then you can transfer it from other centralized exchange or from some other wallet. Now, once you have USDT on Mexc Global, simply go in spot and click on spot over here. And over here, you will need to go ahead and search for Move. So let us go ahead and search for Move and select this pair Move to USDT. Now we'll wait for the interface to load and now go a bit down. And as you can see, there are two types of order. One is a market order and one is a limit order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy the Move tokens at the current market price, which is this. So simply put in the amount of USDT and click on buy Move tokens. Or limit meaning if you want to buy Move tokens at a specific price. So let us click on limit over here. And the current price is this. So let's say if you want to buy it for 0.08. So simply put in this amount and put the amount of USDT and click on buy. Now this will show in the open order over here. And as soon as the price of Move tokens fall down to 0.08 levels, your order would be executed. And then you would be getting Move tokens in your Mexc Global spot account. So this was with regards to the centralized exchange. Now, if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also use a decentralized exchange. So you can buy Move tokens on Bluemove DEX. So as you can see, I've already connected my SUI or Aptos wallet over here, which is Martian wallet. Now I use Martian wallet for both Aptos as well as SUI network. For SUI, I also have another wallet, which is SUI wallet, which is my main wallet. So just for the video purpose, I'm using Martian wallet right now. And as you can see over here, you can go ahead and swap SUI, or maybe you can also go ahead and swap Aptos or any other coins for Move. So let's say if you want to go ahead and swap 100 SUI for Move, it will calculate the best exchange rate. And since I don't have sufficient SUI balance right now in my Martian wallet, that's the reason why it's not giving me the option to swap. As the option to swap comes over here. Now please note that don't use all your SUI balance because you will need some amount of SUI in your wallet in order to make transactions on any decentralized exchange for paying the gas fees. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy Bluemove tokens. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.